stars stare back at me. A culinary tragedy. No cumin, no paprika, just dust bunnies and dreams. My kitchen dreams, they start to fade, a flavorless parade. Gotta get that spice mix, yeah, that pantry mix. A little zing, a little kick, make my taste buds do a trick. Online cards full of time, gonna make this cooking prime. Chili flakes and
so this next recipe, we're using cabbage again. You're supposed to have 4 cups of shredded chopped cabbage. Excuse me. And we're going to add to this an 8-ounce can of drained pineapple. Okay, my can of pineapple, crushed pineapple, is not an 8-ounce, but I am going to add it to it anyway. So now we got to set this all aside, and we're going to move on to our dressing. So in a bowl, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of mayo. And I'm going to guesstimate on this. 1 more big spoon. Okay. Going to add a tablespoon of sugar, some salt. Going to add 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. 1/2 teaspoon, well, okay, 1/2 tablespoon or so of horseradish, prepared horseradish. I did add some apple cider vinegar to that. So now we're going to mix this up and we're going to put it on our slaw mixture. So now we got it in there, and now we just got to toss it with our rest of our slaw and our pineapple. And then we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge until time to serve.